Okay, so I've been getting a lot of DMs, a lot of comments of people asking me, how can I create a page where I don't have to show my face, where I can still promote my stuff, where I can still promote my offer? And I'm going to show you exactly how to do that because I know a lot of people don't feel like being judged. A lot of people just don't want to put their face out there on the internet, especially if they're going to have people come up to them in person. They don't want the attention, they don't want any of that. So I'm going to show you exactly how. And the AI tool you're going to use for this is called Asa AI. I'm going to show you exactly how to use it. My good friend Cole owns this, but this is not sponsored. I'm just promoting this because I actually use it for some of my clients as well. Once you get in, you're going to see a screen like this. So it's pretty simple. You see there's a lot of different variations, a lot of different voices you can use. Me personally, I like this one the most because it's pretty cool. In my opinion, reminds me of Star Wars. And so you can even click any of these as well, any of these styles that'll actually have like change the video style. So for example, this is Greek mythology. You can press industrial for like construction, or you can even go down all the way to pop art, which is cool like this. So you can change the subtitle font, but getting to the real part right now, where you actually can change the what it's saying, the description, or sorry, the script. So you're gonna use ChatGPT for this. So let's say you're not a good scriptwriter, you don't feel like writing all of this stuff, you just want to automate it fully so you don't have to do much. So I'm gonna show you. You go to ChatGPT. Let's say you want to make a video about AI and how it's taking over the world, right? So you're gonna put, give me a 30-second script about AI taking over. Okay, and sometimes it's gonna do this. All you wanna do is press stop. Don't give me character roles or voices. Just a script, no spaces. Okay, enter, and it'll look just like this, which is pretty good. So you're gonna wanna copy and paste this once it's finished. Copy that, or you can click this right here. Go back to Asa AI, and you're gonna paste it in here. And that's super simple, just like that. So I'm gonna change it from pop art actually. It's talking about AI. I'll probably put something like digital art. So something like this. That looks a little cooler. Then I'm gonna press create video. Oh, as you can see down here is too. It's 20 seconds long. It tells you the length and it tells you how many credits you're using. So for me, I have a ton of credits and I'm not gonna explain how I got this many, but let's just say, I'm good friends with the owner. So press create video and then it's going to take like maybe 1 or 2 minutes to generate and I'll get back to you guys once it's finished. Okay, so that was way quicker than I thought. That was like 30 seconds. So once the video is done, you can click the preview here. So that's the preview right there, and it actually turned out really well. I love this tool. I've been using it, as you can tell. This is my favorite Faceless tool to use. Okay, so once it's finished, you're gonna click download, and it should download right there, just as you see. And once you're done with that, you can bring it over to Opus Clips, which I talk about all the time. It's the place where you can schedule videos. As you can see here, I schedule videos to all of my different accounts, which I repost to, right? So that's how I've been getting a ton of views and people getting funneled into my links, into my content and growing my following essentially. So once you get into Opus Clips, you're gonna press on calendar, you're gonna press schedule post, and you're gonna upload the video, or you can drag it actually onto the screen. So this works on mobile as well. You just have to download it and then upload it there. And as you can see, you can upload it to literally any platform. You can change the title, the description, add the account that you want for any of these social media platforms, and boom, just like that, you can schedule it, and you can bang out a ton of these as well. Because it's not like you can generate one at a time with Asa. You can actually just generate like 10 ChatGPT scripts at a time. You can paste it in here, change the voice, change the style, press create, and just keep doing that 10 times. And it's really quick because once it's done, all the videos turn into here. You just press download to all of them. You can just upload it to Opus Clips, do the caption or do the title, the description, and it's done just like that. So that's pretty simple. That's how I've been doing it for some of my accounts actually. And I'll probably do it a little bit more just because it's not that hard and it still brings in a good amount of results. Another way you can actually use this though is by using CapCut. So if I go in here, if I type in not calculator, CapCut, you're gonna see it's an editing platform, which a lot of people use. You can use it for PC, you can use it for mobile. Once you're on it, you're gonna wanna put the clip into CapCut and you're going to drag it onto the timeline. So you can see the videos right here and it still plays. Now go back to Instagram or YouTube, whatever you want to go to. Me personally, I use Instagram for this strategy. You're going to take a viral video like this one, for example. This one did really good. I posted it a couple days ago. It got, I believe, 3,000 views. So clicking here, you can actually see all the comments for this, which is pretty insane. You can see the viral video right here, which played first, and then look what happens after. That's what I did. So I played that viral clip and then I went along with it and I created a script just based off of that. I basically said that's how clients look at me when they find out I'm a 19-year-old automation expert, right? So I just played off of that viral clip that people hook to pretty easily because that's a viral clip that they've probably not seen or that they probably have seen before. But if they didn't see it, well, they're gonna like it because it went viral for a reason. It catches people's attention and it's really good. So you can do something like this where you download a viral clip like that. And you can use like an Instagram downloading the third-party website, something like that. And you can download that video. You can add it to CapCut, put it before, and then add this video after it, and then just have it play just like that. So that's another way you can actually capture someone's attention with this strategy. So hopefully this video is valuable. If you want to use Go High Level or any of these AI tools I listed in this video, click the link in the description. I have a whole entire checklist of what you can do with these tools, how you can promote it to make money, all of that stuff. So like, subscribe, comment what you think, and I'll see you in the next one.